साद्वैतं सावधूतं सहितं सहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधा कृष्णपादाः ललिता श्रीशाखानुगामि ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। महाम्बोधिस्थिरे कनकरुचिरे नीलशिखरे वसनप्रसादान्तः सहजबलभद्रेण बलिना सुभद्रा मध्यस्थसकलसुरसेवावसरदो जगन्नाथः स्वामी नयनपथगामी भवतु मे। त्वमादिदेव करुणानिधानं तमालवर्णं सुहृदावतारम् अपार संसार समुद्र सेतुं भजामहे भागवत स्वरूपम् अंगस्यामलिमछटाभिरभितो मिन्दिकृतेन्दीवरम् जाड्यं जागुडरुचिसां विदधतं पटाम्बरं च श्रियां बृन्दारण्यविलासिनो हृदि लसत् दामाभिरामोदरम् राधास्कन्दनिवेशितजलभुजं ध्यायेमदामोदरम् त्वमादिदेव करुणानिधानं तमालवर्णं सुहृदावतारम् अपार संसार समुद्र सेतुं भजामहे भागवत स्वरूपम् श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय देवकी नंदनाय च नन्दगोपकुमाराय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। नमामि स्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भ्राजमानं नमामि स्वरं यशोदाभियोलुखलाब्दावमानं मृष्टमूर्त्या ततो धृतगोप्या नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रसद्कुण्डलं गोकुले व्रजमानं नमामि रुदन्तं मुहुर्नेत्रयुग्मं रुजन्तं कराम्बुजयुग्मेन शातङ्कनेत्रम् मुहुशासकं पात्रिरेखाङ्ककण्ठं स्थितगिवदामोदरं भक्तिबद्धम् नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भ्राजमानं नमामीश्वरं इति दृक्सलिलाभिरानन्दकुम्भे स्वघोषं निमज्जन्तमाख्यापयन्तम् तदीयसितज्ञेषु भक्तिर्जितत्वम् न पेस्तं शतावृत्ति वन्दे नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भजमानम् इति दृक्सलिलाभिरानन्दकुण्डे स्वघोषं निमज्जन्तमाख्यापयन्तम् तदीयसितज्ञेषु भक्तिर्जितत्वं पुनः प्रेमतस्तं शतावृत्ति वन्दे मामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं सत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भजमानम् वरं देवमोक्षं न मोक्षावधिं वा न चान्यं वृणेऽहं वरे सादपीह विदन्ते वपुर्नाथ गोपाल बालं सदा मे मनसा वीरास्तं किमन्ये नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भजमानम् ते मुखाम्भोजमत्यन्तनीलै वृत्तकुन्तले स्निग्धरक्तिश्च गोप्या इदन्ते मुखाम्भोज मुहुचुम्बितं बिम्बरक्ताधरं मे मनसा विरास्तामलं लक्ष्यलाभे मामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं असत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भजमानम् नमस्तेस्तु धाम्ने स्फुरदीप्तिधाम्ने त्वदीयोदरायस्य विश्वस्य धाम्ने नमो राधिका नमो देवदामोदरानन्त विष्णु प्रसिद्ध प्रभो दुःख जलाब्धिमग्नं नमो देव कृपा दृष्टि वृष्ट्याति दीनं बता सुहानि समामज्ञ मेध्य कीदृश नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं सत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भजमानम् नमस्ते बध मूर्तिवजद्वत् त्वया मोचितौ भक्ति भाजौ कृतौ च कुबेरात्मजौ वध मूर्तिवजद्वत् त्वया मोचितौ भक्ति भाजौ कृतौ तथा प्रेम भक्तिं सकामे प्रजछ न मुखे ग्रहो मेस्ति दामोदरेह ईश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं कुण्डलं गोकुले भजमानम् नमस्तेस्तु धाम्ने सुरदीप्तिधाम्ने त्वदीयोदराय च विश्वस्य धाम्ने नमस्तेस्तु नमो राधिकायै त्वदीयप्रियायै नमो अनन्तलीलाय देवाय तुभ्यम् नमो राधिकायै त्वदीयप्रियायै नमो अनन्तलीलाय देवाय तुभ्यम् नमो नमामि स्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपम् गोकुले भजमानं नमामि राधा दामोदर दया कर राधा दामोदर राधा दामोदर दया कर राधा दामोदर जय राधे जय राधे जय राधे जय श्री राधे हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 ताई गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल ताई गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल The first of all, I offer my innumerable Sastanga Dandavat Pranam to his Gurudev, divine grace, Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupada Stotra Satasila Goswami Maharaj, Nityalila Bhakti Jivanandana Arjuna Goswami Maharaj, and Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj Pad, all our Guru Vargas and Parampara Acharyas with all Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada. And my respect and love to all devotees, Vaishnava Srivas, Sarvadik Prabhu here, Devamai Mataji here, all Brahmacharis here, and who are participating in our program. Happy with all. We are discussing this 35th chapter of 10th canto in Srimad Bhagavatam, Jugala Gita, how gopis are glorifying the sweet flute, magic flute of Krishna. There is another chapter also there about Venu Gita. Here our discussion also with Uddhav, because we started Uddhav Sandesh from Purushottam month. So all pastimes, what has done Krishna and Balaram, what have done, Uddhava wanted to see and hear and experience. So he was present, and with Uddhava, Gopis' separation mood came to passive state, because Krishna sent letter and he sent to Uddhava to gopis to maintain their love. And gopis, they accept this, they convince, and they go to every day to remember Krishna's pastimes with Uddhav, and they discuss how he was performing here. And when they are discussing Krishna Lila, they are completely ecstasy with Krishna's presence inside, appear his attributes, his qualities, his love, and again also they feel separation. So both here, Uddhava also enjoying this, and we also, according to our short time, we discuss this. Actually, the pastimes, Leela, should not under time. If we think how to finish in time, then we miss. This is reality there. This must be beyond the time. So, our Goswamis and others, once they enter Leela, they forget how past time, day and night, they forget their food, to eat, to sleep, to talk. This is actually the glorious of power of the Leela Katha. So they forget not only the body and mind or the family or the worldly activities, also they forget this time and everything. Then they observe with Leela to test this. Anyway, we are discussing according our time. We are not qualified to beyond of the time, beyond of the our body and social, our activities. We were discussing yesterday the verse 14, 15 and 16, 17. Today we will discuss 18 and 19. Manidhara kochidaganayan ga malayadaita gandha tulasya. Manidhara kochidanayan ga malayadaita gandha tulasya. Pranayino nucarasya kadangse prakhipan bhujamagayata jatra. Pranayino nucarasya kadangse prakhipan bhujamagayata jatra. Ganita venurava vanchita chita Krishna manva sata Krishna gruhinya. Guna ganarna manugatya harinyo gopikayi vimukta gruhasha. Guna ganarna manugatya harinyo gopikayi vimukta gruhasha. Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol. Here another gopis, they now discussing, they told, okay, what I saw, now I will explain you how was Krishna's playing flute and what happened this. Before they discussed about how the universe, even demigods, Brahma, Shiva, others, they could not understand which raga, which melody, which rhythm, how is vibrating. And other times, animals, birds, then rivers, and trees and creepers, how they transform their consciousness by transcendental love of fruit. Now, the degree of their love, how it increasing. So last verse, they told to Mother Yashoda, don't worry, because Krishna come little delay. So mother cannot tolerate what happened to my son, why he is so late now, sun setting, he has not come. So what happened? He was worried. She was worried. Then they told, don't worry, your son, because of many all demigods, even Brahma and Shiva and others, they are coming to offering their homage. They are offering their gifts and they worship him. Don't think your son is only a ordinary cowhead boy. So this is natural, because many they are coming to respect him. So don't fear that something happened to my boy, my son. He is not an ordinary person, boy. He is respected by all this chief of demigods. They respected this. Therefore, he is coming a little delay. In this way, yesterday we have discussed about their feelings when Krishna comes, how the girls, gopis, they come to see, and how Krishna also saw them with love, with his glance. So how they are feeling ecstasy, inside they forget even their cloth, and they inside transform with ecstasy. Now here in this verse, he told, Manidharaha Kochita Ganayan Ga. Manidharaha. Here Krishna has some necklace, garlands, but that is jewel. Its necklace there, and there is 108 beads there. So Krishna, what he is doing? By his mala, he is counting cows. So maybe cows will miss. So how he can count the cows by this mala? We are counting Harinam, but Krishna is counting cows. When he play flutes, then Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur has told, he was calling them, how Malaya Daita Gandha Tulasya, Pranayino no Charasya Kadasi, Prakhipan Bhujam Gayata Jatra. He is keeping his left hand with his one friend, like Shubal. And he has Tulsi garland, Tulsi mala, Gandha Tulasya Malaya. Pranayano Chakadangse Prakhipana Bhujam Agayata. Then he, with the flute, he is calling to cows, and which cows he count with color. There are 4 colors, cows. When he called, oh, Dhavali, 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 Dhavali means white. So in white color there are a group like Chandani. Chandani means like sandal paste, and uh, light color with white. Then another he called them like Haridraki or Pitambari means yellow color. Their groups, little yellow, more deep, more light, they are one group. Then Kalindi, Yamuna, like black is. So they are a group in the black groups there. Then reddish. So in this way, when he called all the groups, they come and he count with his mala how many they came. Reddish how group, and black is how group, yellows and black. In this way, when he is counting and calling the cows, so what happened there? Konita Benurava Vanchita Chetaha Krishna Manvasata Krishna Gruhinyaha. Krishna Gruhinyaha. The black deers, sea deers, all they come, all sea deers, female deers, they all come to hear flute, and cows they are passing. Then they what they did, they come and surrounding Krishna, they sit there. How they sit? They took renunciation from their family life. They give up their family. They just like Gopi, they say, just like us. We also give up our family, husband, children, father, mother, everything. We also forget everything, and we intoxicated with his beauty, his flute sound, and his all discussion. Same, these black deers, they see this, they come and they don't worry for anything. They give up their everything. They took not initiation like some renunciation, initiation. Mentally they are, internally they took initiation. They give up everything and they came and they opened their ears, completely open their ears. Then with long eyes, they are looking Krishna, hearing his flute, just enjoying the beauty of Krishna, such like we are. We want this and we have same symptoms. So they give this. He told, I saw this, how these black deers, they have such a love, like conjugal love. If they are animal body, still they have same like us. And we are here, we are sitting here, but we are unfortunate. We cannot go there to see and to sit with him, to enjoying this. But they are taking our position and our love. They are enjoying this. Then Vimukta Grihasa, they give up their desire for their house and family matters. Vimukta, they free from their, like Gopi Kaha, like gopis, our happen this happen the same thing. We give up everything and want to be with him. This is a ecstasy, love of Shaktika, this Nirbeda. They mentally, they detached from everything and only with Krishna. no more other activities. And with their inside, they becomes like Tanamaya, means they enter this with their minds, with this is bhava, with love, and forget everything. So here, how gopis, other group, they saw Krishna's this flute and with the deers, how they attached to with the divine love. So they explained there, and in these two verses, again, before what they have discussed, here increase their conjugal mood. Before they have different creatures, different loves there, but here this conjugal mood increase, so they explained about all these gopis there. Another two verses here. Kunda dama kruta kautuka besho gopa godhana bruto jamunayam nanda sunu ranaghe tava vasho narmada pranaino bijahara mandavayurupavatynukulam manayanmalaya bandinastamupodevaganaje Badya Gita Bali Bhi Paribabru. Here in 20 and 21 verses, another gopis, they explained, oh, I saw when Krishna is coming in Jamunayam, near Yamuna river, when with all cows, he has jasmine flower garland. Many different garlands there, some tulsi garland, sometimes other flowers, many together different colors also there. But here he told jasmine flower, very beautiful, sweet fragrance, kundadamo, kruta kautuka besho. And he decorated with all jasmine flower garland with his head, with hair, with his also in chest, neck, and hand, both, and others also. They are Vrindavan is full of these flowers. So they take and make a garland and they decorate with full of flowers, flower dress. You see sometimes in Vrindavan there is full bangala. All jasmine flowers, they decorated whole temple with many designs there. So here also to Krishna's body, everything they decorated with this jasmine flower and very beautiful, sweet, natural sound there, fragrance there. Kunda dama kruta kautuka vesho. Kautuka vesho. Kautuka vesho means very attractive and sweet his dress, but with a flower. Gopa Godhana Bruta Yamunaya. And Gopus, all his cowhead boys, they also decorated themselves. Madhu Mangala Siddham, they also decorated with the flowers. All are like they are, sometimes they are doing like a drama. So they make every day they are making all this Leela. So Gopa, Godhan and cows, sometimes they put also some garland to cows near Yamuna. Nanda Suno Ranaghe Tava Vatsho. He told to Mother Jasoda was more anxious to see Krishna, what happened, my son. So they told, oh, Yasoda, your son decorated with all these flower garlands. Hey, Anaghe, you are pious. Naramadaha pranayino bijahara. With his dearmost friends, he was moving when in Yamuna. What happening? Manda vayu rupa bhatya nukulam. This air from Yamuna with this is actually daytime, so some hot and the air manda slowly this air coming breeze, so with little fresh air, and they are enjoying with the smell and with the cold fresh air. Manda vayu rupa bhati anukulam manayana malayaja swarsena. And this air coming with chandana, malayaja, fragrance. With chandana and jasmine and lotus, this air inside, enter and outside, all cows and gopas and boys, they are enjoying full ecstasy. So I saw this, how he can come to here. He is enjoying there in Yamuna river, there in Vrindavan. And Bandinata Mupade Boganaje Badya Gita Boli Bhi Paribabru. Bandinaha Stamupadeva Gana. Upadeva Ganaha. Upadeva Gana means like Brahma, Mahadev, Indra, they are chief of demigods. But others are who are sub-demigods. They are Upadeva Ganas. They came and with this full of nice flowery dress, completely very fragrance, jasmine flower, and with music, with song, Gandharvas, Kinnaras, Vidyadharas, who are experts with music, they come and they glorifying his pastime and his activities, how he killed the demons and he appeared, and how he is enjoying whole world by his own transcendental love. They are glorifying and singing and dancing with the Yamuna. I saw this Badya Gita Balivihi Pariprabhu. Badya Gita. Badya means they are playing drums, mridangas, and with the karatal, with musical Gandharvas musics, their musical instruments, and they are singing all together. Then they are worshipping, offering their homage to your son. Told to Yashoda, to don't disturb, because he is enjoying, he is now teenage, so he will enjoy. You don't think he is now baby. You should not think. So don't worry for him. In this verse, what they have seen in different times, different day, all gopis together, they glorifying to Krishna's this pastime of the flute sound. And tomorrow we will finish tomorrow maybe this chapter, only another two verses there. Then we will discuss maybe more little to Govinda Damodar Madhava, the song which is composed by Srila Bilwamangala Thakur, and there are nice beautiful pastimes and meanings also there, but if possible we can discuss after. Now we will chant this. Kete number? विचित्रवर्णाभरणेभिराम भेदेहि वक्त्राम्बुजराजहंसि विचित्रवर्णा सदा मदीये रसनिग्ररङ्गे गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति अंकाधिरूढ़ं शिशुगोपगूढ़ं स्तनं धयन्तं कमलेककान्तम् अंकाधिरूढ़ं शिशुगोपगूढ़ं स्तनं धयन्तं कमलेककान्तम् संबोधयामास मुदा यशोदा गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे हे गोविंद गोविंद राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे 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 गोविंद गोविंद राधे राधे राधा दामोदर गोविंद राधे राधे राधा माधव गोविंद राधे राधे राधा राधे 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 जय जय श्री राधे हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे साई गौरा हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल साई गौरा हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल और प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल जय जय श्री राधे श्याम राधा दामोदर जी की जय इंद गोपीनाथ मदन मोहन जी की जय महाराज की जय की जय भक्त विज्ञान भारती गोस्वामी महाराज की जय और वैष्णव वृंद की जय या व्रत की जय व्रजेश हृदय रहने की जय गौर प्रेमानंदी हरि जय